back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the first guitar solo of Sweet Home Alabama. We're going to do it on electric guitar this time. However, you can do it on acoustic, just replace the bends with slides, unless you can bend an acoustic guitar string, which is pretty difficult. So, you got this first bend on the 15th fret of the E string. Bend it back down, and then you got 14, and then B string twice on the 15th fret. So that's a full bend. Do a little vibrato there, and then of course slide it down, and you got 10 on the B string, 8 on the E, and then back to the B string, you got 11, 10, 8, back to 10, and then you got 9 on the G string. And then you have this little thing, and then a bend on the B string. And when you're doing all this, you could do pinch harmonics if you like. So a pinch harmonic is where you hit, of course, with a pick, but then your thumb is hitting the string right afterwards, and depending on where you put your thumb or where you're picking it, it'll make different little squeals. Pretty cool. And so after that, you got a slide on the G string from the 7th fret to the 9th fret, and then you got this. Another bend. And this next one, you start on the 7th fret, pause for just a second, and then you slide from the 8th to the 9th. So that is, and then you have this little bend. It goes up and down, and then right here. So you got this little slide thing. It's from the 9th fret that goes down to the 7th and back to the 9th. And then you got a hammer-on pull-off, or you can pick them, or you can do a blend, and then, so that's A string, 10, E string, 10. They have a whammy bar and goes, however, I don't have a whammy bar in here, so you could bend this one if you wanted to, and I don't know, or you could just do a nice vibrato. So that whole thing sounds like this. Now I did a bend right here, and so it's a half bend, or you could do the hammer-on pull-off. I think he does that. And there's no vibrato, again, it's a whammy bar. But yeah, so that's the first guitar solo. Good luck with it. I mean, again, on acoustic guitar, you can replace all the bends with slides. Yes. And if you don't have electric, again, just play it on acoustic. It's still fun. You can still do it. Good luck, sir.